피해 진작 몰라줘서 미안해 누구 신경 쓸 때가 아니야 넌 생각해봤는데 한 번 들어볼래.
Hello guys, welcome back to another YouTube reaction video. This is Unbeaten Reacts. Welcome back to my channel. I'm the channel host Namu, and in today's video we are going to be reacting to a song which came out a week ago almost. It's a collaboration between Chungha, the soloist, and PH1, a Korean American rapper, I guess. Super excited. I have waited for a long time, but I couldn't because in between there were a lot more releases. Twice came back, Bangyadam came back, Jungkook had a song. But this is also amazing because we all know Chungha is the queen of collaborations, right? She's just like, her company just goes another one or something like that. Sorry, I know in my brain I'm gonna edit something and I'm apologizing in advance. But this is gonna be epic because Chungha's super silky smooth vocals. Of course, her dancing is main point of her idol life, but her vocals are really amazing as well. Along with, I've never heard anything from PH1, but I've heard like he's in line with amazing rappers like Jay Park and Zico and all. So I'm also excited. I know he'll do his part really well and fulfill the song. So yeah, can't wait. If you're enjoying this, please leave a like, please subscribe down below for further reactions. I react to anything and everything in K-pop and upload videos once a day. So please check them out and please subscribe and please comment down below what you want me to react to next. Any suggestions, any other collaborations from Chungha, any other collaborations in general. I react to everything in K-pop. So please comment down below your suggestions. This almost came out a week ago. It's called My Friend by Chungha featuring PH1 music video. Almost 6 days ago. Let's go. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Ooh, again, it just immediately started. Ooh, okay. Okay. Ooh. Just increase the volume a bit. Ooh, she's going faster. She's singing fast in a faster tempo. Okay. Ooh. Do we have subs? Okay, no subs. This is a smaller song, okay? Just a experiment maybe. Ooh. Okay. Ooh. It's a really cheerful song. Ooh, okay. Ooh. The vocals though, it's very soft vocals, soft vocalization. Okay. Okay. Ooh, wow. Softer rapping as well, not hard rapping. Which suits the song, of course. Ooh. Okay. Ooh, wow. It's almost a dance song, probably. It's a softer song, definitely. I don't know what the theme of the song is, so I can't figure it out without the lyrics. Wow, it's really good. I'm trying to think of something, but I can't get my fingers around it. Ooh, okay, is that it? I just can't figure out the theme of the song. Is it like she's packing up for something? Yeah, probably. The song was really really good, and the song was really really vibey and catchy, but I just could not figure out the theme of the song. It was really, I'm like confused maybe. Um, okay, so let's just go through the song first. Really really soft vocals first of all. Definite Changa styled, really bouncy, really poppy, almost dance themed. She was doing some choreo, her hand gestures in between, which was amazing. The rap flow was good. The rap flow was pretty good. Um, Lighter, softer rap to go with the song, the suit the song. Yeah, all of that was really really good. I can't uh, I can't figure out then why I was like confused in between the songs. I think I feel like some thoughts came to my mind, which I wanted to focus on them, but I just couldn't. What happened there? What happened, Namu? What happened in your brain? I forgot, dude. I had something to say in between, I guess, but I completely forgot. It's a good song, though. It's a really good collaboration. Props to Changa, the collab queen. I'm just gonna call her the collab queen from now. She's amazing. Um, and props to PH1. Really good rapping, really good vibe of the song. Nice song. I've just to chill and listen to while just doing some gymming or just working in your house or something. I don't know. Really, really enjoyed this. If you enjoyed this, please leave a like. Please subscribe down below for further reactions. Please comment down below your suggestions, you want me to check out. Anything, any other collab, any other songs, please comment down below. And thank you so much for watching. See you in another video. Peace.